I want to talk about a thing called tarot cards. Nowadays, people all over the world are using these cards as a divination tool, this mystical, supernatural thing that can predict the future and tell you what you need to do. But I believe they are super cool psychological tool how to have a great, honest dialogue with yourself and your subconscious. To use tarot cards as psychological tool, process is like this. You think of an issue that you want to think about, talk with yourself about, and well, most often it's like money, career, or love. Let's take, for example, love. A person who hasn't met anybody yet, there seems to be nobody out there, wants to find the love of their life and build family. So the question would be like, how can I find my person? Then you choose a deck that you really like. There are lots of cute, beautiful decks you can choose from. Pick one you like the most, then pick randomly. It will give greater effect. Pick randomly, let's say 3 cards. You can choose how many, and if you want to do some spread specific or stuff, but let's for the quick example, let's choose 3 cards. So the first one would be Hanged Man. So then you observe. First of all, you can choose if you want to look up meanings online and use also them in this talking with yourself, or you just observe the pictures. So here is the poor foxy, hanged, stuck, getting nowhere. So that would pretty much tell what is going on with this situation. Then you also observe how this picture makes you feel, and pick another one. The next one is 8 of Cups, which means like walking away or going on a path to discover new things. This would say that you need to go on a journey. So how you feel? Do you believe that yes, you should move somewhere, do something? And then the last card is the Happy Family. How nice. So then you can observe, yes, how this card and Happy Family here, 2 foxes and with 2 little children, how they make you feel by observing these emotions and this art, pieces of art. You can think of new ways how to look at it all, and ideas from your subconscious, inspiration, what you could do. For example, here, the main to get from being stuck and having no one, you go to having this family by moving somewhere. Then you can ask yourself, how could you move? For example, one person could actually benefit from moving from one city to another one, or moving from crushing on people who don't want kids to letting that all go and going for different kind of people who want family, who are serious, or any other way. Just to move from being here to somewhere else, either physically or emotionally. In this way, cards can be a great psychological help, and you can have a really honest talk with yourself and your subconscious.